Reggae Boys fans, if you have any hope of going to the World Cup, it's very slim, and we are probably trying and hoping that we can grab that fourth playoff spot, right?
Yeah,
Well, if that is what you're hoping, I have news. Are you interested? Or
definitely.
not? So some people think the ship has sailed, you know. You know what I mean? I could probably be on that boat that's sailing as well. But let's see. All right, so Concacaf fourth place to meet the Oceania playoff spot in the Concacaf World Cup bid to make
So
it.
this is fourth place in Oceania though.
Yeah, we would play fourth place.
So this is
Oceania.
this that would
Or
be like a
or whoever.
New
I don't
Zealand
know.
or somebody like that.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't know how many spots they're assigned, but whoever is in the playoff spot for them, we will the fourth place, not we specifically, but the Concacaf fourth place playoff spot person will face them. We're hoping it might be us. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, so the fourth place team from North and Central America and the Caribbean, Concacaf, will play the Oceania champion in a one-game playoff for World Cup berth. This was changed the other day. Formula Sports carried that. Big up Formula Sports. I think I might put his link on the video above us. All right. So the fifth place nation from South America will play the fifth place nation from Asia. We were hoping that we wouldn't draw the South American team. You know what I mean? We were hoping
Yeah, for sure.
we were hoping for either the Asian team or the Oceania team. All right. Both games will be played.
Oceania is the easiest. The easiest
Yeah.
of all of them. It's only like Australia that's really there.
Yeah, so it's definitely an easier route if you can snatch that fourth spot. So they will be played on June 13th and 14th in Qatar at venues being prepared for next autumn's World Cup. The playoffs will take place after the World Cup draw, which is scheduled for April 1st. All right, so by April 1st, we should know the groups. All right. Canada lead Concacaf with 16 points ahead of the United States on 15. Mexico are third with 14, and Panama occupy the fourth place playoff spot. The top four are followed by Costa Rica 9, Jamaica 7, and El Salvador 6, and Honduras 3. What was that, Wade?
What's that?
No, I heard you say something.
No, I didn't say anything.
All right. So yeah, Honduras is at the bottom of the group with 3. 6 games remaining for each team, and the top 3 nations receive automatic berths. All right. The draw for the Oceania qualifying will be held on Monday, and New Zealand is a strong favorite going into the competition. So in the playoff in 2018 World Cup, Concacaf was drawn to play Asia, and Australia beat Honduras 3-1 on a 2-leg playoff. South America met Oceania, and Peru defeated New Zealand on a 2-0 aggregate. All right. It's a good look for the Concacaf.
A team out of that Oceania is like the highest loss ever. Like Australia, they give them like 36 love or something like that.
Yeah, man, it roughed down upon them, man.
So it's a good ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a good look for whoever can grab that fourth place spot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We have a very slim chance, but we are not. I don't think Panama is sitting in the driver's seat for that spot, and I think they would be more than capable of handling whoever comes out of the Oceania group. Final thoughts, Wade?
Well, I mean, it's something to hang on to, you know.
Yeah.
It's like a team of hope.
Yeah.
I mean, what would be hot now is if we make it 4th place now and then we're gonna play Tahiti and lose.
That would be horrible.
That would be horrible.
That would be horrible.
You know?
All right, so first we have to get to 4th place. You know what I mean?
For sure.
All right, guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.